So in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your Windows 10 cursor. Now there's two methods to change your Windows 10 cursor. The first method is pretty simple and everybody should know about this method, like going into the personalizations and find here the mouse sorry, we need to find here the cursor settings, and probably it's available in theme sections. When you click on the theme, and you will see here the mouse cursor. Now the first thing, it will look like this. Simply you can change your cursor from here, like you can see. If we go with the default, it was the normal select mouse. Now just you can download from different websites. I'll put the link in the description so you can go over there and download your favorite cursor. Once you download the cursor, just import it like this and it should be look like this. Now I love FPS games, so that's why I like this cursor. Now the second thing, you can also change the cursor, the normal cursor. Just go into the settings and then find here the cursor, and that's it. Mouse pointer actually our cursor. Now you can change the cursor size, or you can even change the color in a different color. So increase the size or decrease, it's on you, but this is the second way. So I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, share it with friend. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Till then, just take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.